What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet Series 2 Random Divisions number 1. This is to see what divisions you get. 3, 5, 6 times stamp it. Already got divisions in, already got names in. We randomize both. Wherever you line up spreadsheet is who you get. Dice 4 or more. It is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last and final. Number 6, AFC North on top, NFC North on the bottom. I don't know why it rotates, or it takes a minute to do the divisions now. FYCUSH is the code, or not do the divisions, but when you click the button, see, it always has the going 11 times. It used to just do it instantly. This is what happens when your hard drive crashes, I guess. 7, 8, 9, 10, last and final. Number 11, Jason Jessica on top, Patrick Newton on the bottom. Number 8, bam. There you go, guys. That's who you got. Let me make this a little bigger. There it is. BQLRQC is the code for the names. And we are done. Let it tick over. Done. 358. Thanks, guys. Good luck.